Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Last video we see exercise 7.2. Today we are going to see example problems as well as exercise 7.3. Now we are going to see 7.5 volume of cuboid as well as cube. So you have to know how to find the volume of cuboid and cube using the formula. So volume of cuboid, let the length, breadth and height of a cuboid be L, B and H respectively. Then the volume of cuboid V is equal to cuboid's base area into height. So the cuboid base area is length into breadth into height, which is equal to LBH cubic units. Volume is nothing but for example, if we take a jar or a mug or anything, you have to fill the water in the mug or a jar. So how much water can be filled in the jar? So that is nothing but the capacity or the volume of the cuboid. Example 7.9. The example page number is 259. So the length, breadth and height of a cuboid is 120 mm, 10 cm, that is millimeter, centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively. Find the volume of 10 such cuboids. So first you have to find the volume of one cuboid and you have to multiply that value with 10. You get the value of 10 such cuboids. So solution, since both breadth and height are given in centimeter, so it is necessary to convert the length also in centimeter. So we get length is equal to 120 millimeter, which is equal to 120 by 10 is equal to 12 centimeter. And take B is equal to 10 centimeter and height H is equal to 8 centimeter. So volume of a cuboid formula is length into breadth into height, which is equal to 12 into 10 into 8 is equal to 960 centimeter cube. So volume of 10 such cuboids is equal to 10 into 960, which is equal to 9600 centimeter cube. Next one is example 7.10. This also belongs to same page number 259. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in the ratio 7:5:2. Its volume is 35,840 centimeter cube. So find its dimensions. So we doesn't know this dimensions, that is length, breadth and height are given in the form of ratio. So you have to find the dimension of the cuboid. So solution, let the dimensions of the cuboid be L is equal to 7x, B is equal to 5x and H is equal to 2x. Given that the volume of cuboid is equal to 35,840 centimeter cube. So length into breadth into height is equal to 35,840. So 7x into 5x into 2x is equal to 35,840. So 70x cube is equal to 35,840, because 7 5s are 35, 35 into 2 is 70 and x into x into x is x cube. So x cube is equal to 35,840 by 70, x cube is equal to 512. So x is equal to cube the root of 8 into 8 into 8, which is nothing but 512. So x is equal to 8 centimeter. So now we know the dimensions in the form of ratio. So substitute the value of x in L is equal to 7x, you get the length of the cuboid. So length of the cuboid is equal to 7x is equal to 7 into 8 is equal to 56 centimeter and breadth of the cuboid is equal to 5x, which is equal to 5 into 8 is equal to 40 centimeter and height of the cuboid is equal to 2x, which is equal to 2 into 8 is equal to 16 centimeter. So இது இப்போ எப்படி கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா length, breadth and height of the cuboid வந்து டைரெக்டாக கொடுக்காம ரேஷியோவில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அண்ட் அதோட வால்யூம் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு வால்யூமோட ஃபார்முலா தெரியும். ஸோ அதில் ரேஷியோ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எக்ஸோட வேல்யூவை கொண்டு போயிட்டு அந்த டைமென்ஷனில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணேன்னா நம்மளுக்கு லென்த், பிரெத் அண்ட் ஹைட் ஆஃப் த cuboid கிடைச்சிரும். Next one is example 7.11, page number 260. So the dimensions of a fish tank are 3.8 meter into 2.5 meter into 1.6 meter. How many liters of water it can hold? So you can see a fish tank is in the shape of a cuboid. So you have to find the volume of the fish tank. So in the fish tank la nammalaala evlo water fill panna mudiyum அப்படின்றத நம்ம find பண்ணனும். That is how many liters of water of it can hold in the fish tank. So solution, length of the fish tank L is equal to 3.8 meter, breadth of the fish tank B is equal to 2.5 meter and height of the fish tank H is equal to 1.6 meter. So volume of the fish tank is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 3.8 into 2.5 into 1.6, which is equal to 15.2 meter cube. But you have to find the answer in the form of liter. So அந்த டேங்க்ல எத்தனை லிட்டர் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் ஃபில் ஆகும் அப்படின்றதான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து மீட்டர் கியூப்ல வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு கன்வெர்ட் தட் இன் த ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் லிட்டர்ஸ். So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So in the answer நம்ம 1000 ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா it changed in the form of liters. So 15.2 into 1000 liters, which is equal to 15,200 liters. So அந்த fish tank fill பண்றதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு 15,200 liters of water தேவைப்படுது. Example 7.12, the dimension of a sweet box are 22 cm into 18 cm into 10 cm. So how many such boxes can be packed in a curtain of dimension 1 meter into 88 cm into 63 cm. So ஒரு sweet box இருக்கு, அதோட dimensions நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then how many such sweet boxes can be packed in a curtain? So ஒரு பெரிய பாக்ஸில் அந்த ஸ்வீட் பாக்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம அதில் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணி வைக்கணும். ஸோ இந்த டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் உள்ள காட்டனில் எத்தனை ஸ்வீட் பாக்ஸ் உங்களால் ஃபில் பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்றது தான் நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ சொல்யூஷன், here the dimensions of a sweet box are length L is equal to 22 cm, breadth B is equal to 18 cm and height H is equal to 10 cm. Then volume of sweet box is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 22 into 18 into 10 centimeter cube. Then the dimensions of a carton are length L is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter because all are given in the form of centimeter. So breadth B is equal to 88 centimeter, height H is equal to 63 centimeter. So volume of the carton is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 100 into 88 into 63 centimeter cube. So the number of sweet box packed is equal to volume of the carton by volume of a sweet box, which is equal to 100 into 88 into 63 by 22 into 18 into 10. So after simplification you get 140 boxes. So 140 boxes can be packed in a curtain. So the number of sweet boxes packed is 140. Next one is 7.5.2, volume of a cube. So it is easy to get the volume of a cube whose side is A units. We know the side of the cube is A, then the volume of cube whose sides is A is simply length, breadth and height all are A in the formula for the volume of a cuboid. So we get volume of the cube is A cube cubic units. Example 7.13, it belongs to page number 261. Find the volume of a cube whose sides is 10 centimeter. So here the side is given in the cube, you have to find the volume of the cube. So solution, given that side A is equal to 10 centimeter and volume of the cube is equal to A cube, which is equal to 10 into 10 into 10, which is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Next is example 7.14. This also belongs to same page number. A cubical tank can hold 64,000 liters of water. Find the length of its sides in meter. So ஒரு cubical tankல 64,000 liter of water இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அதோட length என்னவா இருக்கும் in side, length of its sides in meter. So let A be the size of a cubical tank. நம்மளுக்கு A ஓட value தெரியாது. So here the volume of a tank is given is equal to 64,000 liter. So that is A cube is equal to 64,000, which is equal to 64,000 by 1000, because 1000 liter is equal to 1 meter cube, because we have to find A in the form of meter. So A cube is equal to 64 meter cube. A is equal to cube root of 64. A is equal to 4 meter. Therefore the length of the side of the tank is 4 meter. Next example is example 7.15. It belongs to page number 261. The side of a metallic cube is 12 centimeter. It is melted and formed into a cuboid whose length and breadth are 18 centimeter and 16 centimeter respectively. Find the height of the cuboid. So in this question they are given the side of a metallic cube. So ஒரு metallic cube இருக்கு, அதை வந்து melt பண்ணி இந்த shape of cuboidல கொண்டு வராங்க. அதோட length breadth நம்மளுக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. You have to find the height of the cuboid. Solution: cube side A is equal to 12 centimeter and cuboid length L is equal to 18 centimeter, breadth B is equal to 16 centimeter and height H we doesn't know, because a metallic cube is given, its side is 12 meter and it's melted and recast in the shape of cuboid. Its length is 18 centimeter and its breadth is 16 centimeter. You have to find the height of the cuboid. So volume of the cuboid is equal to volume of the cube, because அந்த கியூபை மெல்ட் பண்ணி தான் கியூபாய்டாக மேக் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அதோட வால்யூமில் எந்த ஒரு டிஃப்ரென்ஸும் நம்மளுக்கு இருக்காது. ஸோ வால்யூம் ஆஃப் கியூபாய்ட் இஸ் லென்த் இன்ட்டு பிரெத் இன்ட்டு ஹைட், which is equal to volume of a cube is A cube. So 18 into 16 into H is equal to 12 cube is 12 into 12 into 12. So H is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 by 18 into 16. So the value of H is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore the height of the cuboid is 6 centimeter. So up to this the worked out examples are over. Next we are going to see exercise 7.3 exercise problems.